Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting episode of my show Today's Talk with Ashi. I hope you are doing well in your life. So as you know very well, in my show I invite different kind of personality and we talk about something different. So today we have a very wonderful guest, Mr. Nitin Sharma. He has recently completed his NFL journey. So today we will talk about his NFL journey. So what he have learned from this journey. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So hello Mr. Nitin.
Hi,
Okay, how are you feeling right now?
I am feeling well.
Okay, so did you face any kind of problem while coming to my show?
No, I did not face any kind of problem while coming here.
Okay, so as you know that I will talk to you about your NFL journey. So can I ask some general question about your NFL journey?
You can ask.
Okay, so how was your NFL journey? What kind of problems did you face and what kind of thing that you learned from NFL journey?
My NFL journey is very supportive and transformative for me. And when I was come to NFL, I am not able to stand in front of peoples and going to podiums. But now I am able to deliver the presentations and able to speak in everywhere. And I am able to speak in public places.
Okay, so who suggested you about this coaching?
My elder brother friend.
Your elder brother. Okay, so when you came here first time, ma'am asked you some question about yourself. So were you able to give that answer?
No, I am not able to give.
So right now you are able to give that
yes,
answer.
right now I am able to.
Okay, so did how many changes did you see in yourself when you joined that coaching and right now?
Now I see many different changes in myself. First is my confidence is built, and now I able to give the presentation like extempore presentation. And when I was not come to NFL, and that time I am not able to stand in front of the peoples. But now I am able to stand in front of the peoples and give the presentation and like extempore.
Okay, so as we know very well that in NIF Institute there are lots of presentation happens. So if I talk about myself, when I gave the first time presentation, I was not able to give that answer. I couldn't think that how should I speak. So when you give the presentation first time, so what kind of problems did you see and what kind of pressure did you feel?
I feel very much pressure that time, and I am nervous that, and I am going to stage, and there are I see there are a lot of my friends and who sing me, and now what I say, and I am speechless, but I try to, and I give only my intro and come back to my seat.
Okay, so in your NFL journey, what makes you different from others' NFL journey?
First thing is NIPS boost the confidence for every student, and there are all faculties and coordinators, and sir also is very good who provide a good and support to each all the students.
Okay, so who is your role model in NFL?
Pradeep sir and Radhika ma'am.
Radhika ma'am. Okay, so if you got a chance to say something about Pradeep sir and also the Radhika ma'am, so what thing would you like to say?
I like they both are good teachers and they support me a lot, and
Okay.
Radhika ma'am build my confidence. Now I am sitting in front of you, and now I am able to speak some words. This has happened only two persons, Pradeep sir
Because of Pradeep sir and Radhika ma'am. Okay, so there are lots of outer activity happens. So when you went to outside and take the interviews of a stranger, so what kind of problems did you face first time when you asking the question to the stranger? And if I talk about the 30th stranger, so what kind of change did you see?
When I was going to interact with strangers, and I met some first person who not convinced to interact with me, and after that try to many more persons and someone convinced, but I face many of the problems. If someone not give the answer, and now I am feel here I studied with my friends. Now I am with friendly each of them and able to give the answer. But when I was asked the questions, I feel nervous because there are a lot of people surrounding me.
Okay, so my audience wants to also enhance their communication skills and also learn public speaking and also learn English communication also. So what thing would you like to say to my audience?
Okay, first thing is if you want to learn English speaking, you come to NIFL and give your 100% and not think about I do this but these things, but you listen your mentor's things only.
Okay, so thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
And stay tuned with us. We will meet to the next video.